Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Darden gift card balance. So all steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. First of all, you need to visit on any such browser and you need to type like gift card balance Darden, and once you get the result you need to click on first one result as you can see over here. And once you are on this page you need to find like check balance and you need to click on check balance. And once you get this window like this one, you need to enter your card number, you need to enter your pin number, and where is your card number and where is your pin number. You just need to see like this one. As you can see over here, this is an example of your gift card, and over here you can see your card number and your pin number is printed on your back side of your card. And you need to fold your card, or you can say you need to flip your card back side, and you need to scratch over here. You will see your gift card pin number and card number. You just need to simply enter your card number and pin number over here. You need to click on check I'm not a robot, and you need to verify that you are not a robot and click on verify. And once you are verified, then you need to click on check balance, and once you click on check balance you will see your check balance, and you will see results from your, you can say, window. And once you get your card, you can say balance, that's it. This is the way by which you can easily check your gift card balance. If you have any questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.